Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 15, that is active and passive voice. So, let's begin with this lesson. Here, the verb tells was a noun or pronoun does, or what is done to a noun or pronoun, or what a person or thing does. The verb tells क्या है? What a noun or pronoun. The verb tells what a noun or pronoun does. और what is done to a noun or pronoun. Verb क्या बताती है हमें कि noun और pronoun क्या करते हैं और क्या हो गया है noun और pronoun को, और what a person or thing does, या person or thing क्या करता है. Like the verb expresses an action or a state. एक verb क्या करती है? Express करती है action को या फिर एक state को. So voice is that form of verb which says whether the subject does something or something is done to the subject. Voice क्या होती है? ऐसे फ्रेज होते हैं, एक ऐसी फॉर्म होती है, ये हमें बताती है कि सब्जेक्ट में कुछ किया है, सब्जेक्ट को कुछ हुआ है. So depending on the status of the subject, a verb can be have two voice, like active voice and passive voice. अब active voice क्या होता है? The form of verb that tells subject is doing action or the subject is doer of action is called active voice. एक form जो होती है verb की, जो हमें क्या बता रही है, सब्जेक्ट की कोई एक्शन कर रहा है या फिर सब्जेक्ट क्या है, डूअर है एक्शन का, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? एक्टिव वॉइस कहते हैं. इन दिस वॉइस द सब्जेक्ट इज एक्टिव. इसमें क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट इज एक्टिव. सब्जेक्ट एक्टिव होता है कि मतलब वो एक्ट कर रहा है, कि सब्जेक्ट कुछ कर रहा है, सब्जेक्ट डूअर है, एंड इम्पोर्टेंस इज गिवन टू इट, और सब्जेक्ट को ही इम्पोर्टेंस मिलती है. लाइक वी कीप द बजट हियर. वी क्या होगा? वी कीप क्या हो गया? सब्जेक्ट हो गया. दे आर रिपेयरिंग द रोड. द बॉय broke the window. The we shall discuss the plan tomorrow. Now passive voice क्या होता है? The form of the verb that does something is done to the subject is called the passive voice. जो एक फॉर्म होती है वर्ब की, जो क्या बता देगी कोई चीज हुई है सब्जेक्ट को, वो क्या होती है? आपकी पैसिव वॉइस होती है. इन द पैसिव वॉइस द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस इज मेड द सब्जेक्ट. जो पैसिव वॉइस में क्या होता है? जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है एक्टिव वॉइस का, उसे सब्जेक्ट बना देते हैं. द इम्पोर्टेंस इज गिवन टू द एक्शन रेदर देन द डूअर. इम्पोर्टेंस किसको दी जाती है? एक्शन को दी जाती है एज कम्पेयर टू द डूअर. So, for example, क्या the butter is kept here by us. By us that's silent है. इसे रखा butter we don't know. So importance किसको मिली है? Action को मिली है. He is kept. The road is being repaired. Repair क्या? Action हो गया. The window was broken. Broken क्या हो गया? Action हो गया. The plan will be discussed tomorrow. ये क्या है? Action हो गया. So remember, verbs that we can use in the passive voice are transitive verb. जो verb हम use कर सकते हैं passive voice में, वो transitive verb होती है. The preposition by, with, in are often used to say who or what causes the action. ये किस लिए use होते हैं? ये कहने के लिए कि किसने action cause करा है. The poem was written by Tagore. The furniture is covered in dust. The room was filled with the fragrance of flowers. Now in active voice में क्या होता है? Subject comes before the verb. Subject verb से पहले आता है. Like the cat killed the rat. In passive voice, the object receiver of the action, जो object क्या होता है? Receiver होता है action का, comes before the verb. Like the rat was killed by the cat. So you have to note, to decide which voice is used, find the verb and ask who is the doer of the action. अगर आपको decide करना है कि कौन सी verb use हुई है, तो आपको क्या करना है? Find करना है verb and क्वेश्चन पूछा कि कौन है doer इस action का. If the doer comes before the verb, अगर doer verb से पहले आ जाता है, तो sentence क्या हुआ आपका? Active voice में. अगर receiver of the action is before the verb, अगर receiver action का verb से पहले है, तो क्या है वो आपका sentence passive voice में. Now changing active voice into passive voice. Active voice को passive voice में कैसे change करते हैं? When we change a sentence in active voice into a sentence of passive voice, following rules should be observed. First step, the subject in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice. जो subject होता है active voice का, वो object बन जाता है passive voice में. And the object in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. और जो object होता है active voice में, वो क्या बन जाता है? Subject बन जाता है passive voice में. Only transitive verbs can have passive voice. खाली transitive verbs में ही passive voice होता है. The subject of the active verb becomes the agent. Subject of the active verb का वो क्या बन जाता है? Agent बन जाता है passive verb का. agent is not very often mentioned और agent को often mention नहीं करते when it is mentioned it is preceded by अगर उसे mention करते हो तो किससे precede होता है by से precede होता है examples क्या है people speak English all over the world active है English is spoken all over the world passive है the agent is not mentioned here English is spoken all over the world by people ये क्या agent है the agent का भी mentioned is mentioned and is preceded by किससे precede करते हो हम by से precede करते हैं if a transitive verb has two objects अगर आपके transitive verb में दो object होते हैं it can be changed into passive voice by making the indirect object इसे हम change कर सकते हैं passive voice में कैसे indirect object करके as the subject and the direct object follows the verb और direct object क्या होता है follow करता है verb को the principal gave the poor student financial help principal ने क्या किया poor student को financial help provide करी क्या active voice है the poor student were given financial help the poor student क्या were given financial help by the principal ये क्या हो गया passive voice हो गया in imperative sentence let is used for commands imperative sentence में क्या होता है let use होता है commands के लिए the general form of active voice is subject plus verb ये इसकी general form है the general form of passive voice is object plus be form plus past participle now there are 12 tenses in active voice 12 tenses होते हैं active voice में only 8 of them have their passive voice खाली 8 में के ही passive voice होती है and we form the passive voice as form like follows like tense क्या होता है आपके simple tense हो simple present है और form क्या है आपकी कैसे form होगा वो am is are plus past participle is am are या फिर इनमें से कोई एक और past participle like she writes a letter is written by Hope इस आगे हमने students borrow library books the library books are borrowed by students आ रहा है यहाँ पे Miss Julie teaches me grammar simple present में I am taught grammar by Miss Julie the watchman locks the door every night the door is locked every night by the watchman इसमें is am are आ गया now present continuous कैसे form होता है is am are plus being plus past participle like active voice क्या she is writing a letter से passive में कैसे करेंगे a letter is being written by how students are borrowing the library books are being borrowed by students Miss Julie is teaching me grammar I am being taught grammar by Miss Julie the watchman is locking the door is being locked by the watchman now present perfect को कैसे करते हैं have, has plus been plus past participle. Active से passive में कैसे होगा? She has written a letter has been written by Hope. Students have borrowed library books have been borrowed by students. So like this you can convert present perfect to active to passive. Now present perfect continuous has no passive form. Present perfect continuous की कोई passive form नहीं होती. Now simple past. कैसे फॉर्म होता है was या फिर verb plus past participle active से passive में कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा she wrote a letter was written by her students borrowed library books were borrowed by students like this you can convert from active to passive now past continuous कैसे फॉर्म होता है was या फिर verb plus being plus past participle active की वॉइस क्या होती है she was writing a letter was being written by her Students were borrowing library books were being borrowed by students. Now past perfect कैसे फॉर्म होता है has plus been plus past participle active से passive में कैसे जाएगा she had written a letter had been written by her students had borrowed library books had been borrowed by students you know past perfect continuous tense has no passive form past perfect continuous की कोई passive form नहीं होती Now, simple future. कैसे फॉर्म होता है will या फिर shall plus be plus past participle. Now, active से passive में कैसे जाएगा ये? She will write a letter will be written by her. The students will borrow library books will be borrowed by students. Like this, you can convert from active to passive voice. You know, future continuous has no passive form. Now, future perfect. Will share will या फिर share plus have plus be plus past participle form active form क्या active voice है she will have written a letter A letter will have been written by her. यहाँ पे will भी आ गया, have भी आ गया, been भी आ गया और past participle आ गया like written. Students will have borrowed library books. Library books will have been borrowed by students. You know, future perfect continuous tense has no passive form. इसकी कोई passive form भी नहीं होती. Future continuous की भी और future perfect continuous की भी. Now change of voice, imperative and interrogative. Imperative और interrogative को कैसे change करते हैं? When an imperative command is to be changed into passive voice, जब imperative command को change करना होता है passive voice में, let plus subject plus be plus past participle. Active voice है आपकी close the door. Passive में क्या होगा? Let the door be closed. Tell her to go. Let her be told to go. Now interrogative में क्या होता है? Interrogative, when an interrogative sentence is to be changed into passive voice, जब आपको interrogative sentence को passive voice में change करना होता है, this the form will be question word आता है, auxiliary verb होती है, subject plus past participle लगता है. Active है, who trapped the rat? By whom was the rat trapped? Who broke the cup? By whom was the cup broken? So you have to note if the question is written like the rat was trapped by whom. We can observe that the form is the same. हम देख सकते हैं ये जो form है उसकी same है. Now sentence with two objects. जिन sentence के दो object होते हैं. Some sentence in verb in which verb take both a direct object and the indirect object. जिस sentence में क्या होता है verb क्या ले लेती है? Direct object भी ले लेती है, indirect object भी ले लेती है. Into passive voice in the following manner like Miss Julie teaches us English. Active में अब इसे passive में हम कैसे करेंगे? English is taught to us by Miss Julie. We are taught English by Miss Julie. हमने ये direct भी है indirect भी दोनों को ले लिया. Now who wrote you the letter? Active में passive में कैसे करते हैं direct और indirect object को? By whom was the letter written to you? By whom were you the letter written? Now she told us a story. Active में अब direct में क्या हो जाएगा? We were told the story by her. Directed. A story was told to us by her. Directed. Yeah. Now some sentence in the passive voice may not tell what does the action, who does the action. उस sentence जो होते हैं passive voice में ये हमें नहीं बताते कि किसने action किया. This happens when it is not important to tell listeners. ये कब होता है? Important नहीं होता listeners को बताना और readers को बताना who is responsible कि कौन responsible है. A bus will be provided to take players to the stadium. Who is providing the bus? We do not know. कौन provide कर हमें ये नहीं पता. The house was painted last week. किसने paint करा house? ये नहीं पता. Who painted the house? We do not. It's not told. People are warned about the approaching storm. किसने warn करा? कुछ नहीं पता. The robbers were taken to the policeman. Who took them is not given. Police station किस कौन लेके गया हमें नहीं पता. Some sentences are used only in the passive voice. तो sentences खाली passive voice में ही use होते हैं. Like the company was established in 1950. The club is situated in pleasant part of the town. A bank is located on a busy main route. Now the passive voice is used for different reasons. जो passive voice होती है वो different reasons पे use होती है. The cause of action is normal. जो cause of action का वो नहीं पता होता. My watch was stolen last night. I don't know who stole. I don't know how or by whom किसने करी. The action is more important than the cause of the action. जो action होता है वो ज़्यादा important होता है as compared to the cause of the action. The villain was beaten after a lengthy fight. It is not necessary to describe the cause because it is known. कोई कभी कोई describe करना cause को ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Like the clothes are washed every day. We all know who does it. हमने सबको पता है कौन करता है ये. When we put an interesting or important information at the beginning, a new cinema hall is being built in the downtown. एक new cinema hall है वो बना है town में. Some variations on the passive sentences. कुछ variations होती है passive sentence में like we can change an active sentence that begins with people say. तो हम change करते हैं active sentence को जो किससे begin होता है people say से या फिर they say या फिर everybody believes या फिर something or nobody expects. into a passive sentence. We can make the pronoun it का subject. हम pronoun it को subject कर सकते हैं. Like they said that she was genius. active है. It was said that she was genius. passive हो गया. People thought that he was made active. It was thought that he was mad. passive है. Nobody expects that the road will be ready by 1 October. active. It is not expected that the road will be ready by 1 October. इसमें क्या आ गया? Nobody expects वाला आ गया point. Now, no one knows how the accident happened active. It is not known how the accident happened passive. They believe that the driver fell asleep. It believed that the driver fell asleep passive में आ गई. Alternatively, the person or things that people are thinking or talking about जिनके बारे में वो सोच रहे हैं या बात कर रहे हैं can be the subject of the passive verb. ये subject हो सकता है passive verb का like to infinitive. She was said to be a genius. He was thought to be mad. The road is not expected to be ready by 1 hour. The driver was believed to be asleep. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.